Yes, Mommy. The cobbler needs money to repair the shoe. I believe I was 12 by then. This one shoe that acted as home slippers, school shoes, sports shoes, gumboots when it rains, shoes for shopping in the market. Okay, the only shoe I possessed. I suppose one puts on a shoe according to their sense of fashion or their specific job, for example, secretaries in their offices. Shoes in some instances tell more about one's personality and financial status. We have countless brands and footwear companies making sneakers, sandals, heels, gumboots, slippers, and craft shoes. Unlike other kids who had big dreams and goals to pursue, I always yearned to get mature, start making money, and I buy myself every nice fitting shoe. Well, I have bought myself over 30 pairs of shoes, but then how many pairs that I will have to buy to fill that space of lack that I got in my childhood? I thought I was to be satisfied by now. Being honest, I'm not. What is enough?